Hey everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to unlock a page in Canva, your complete 2025 guide. If you've ever tried to edit a page only to find it locked and didn't know what to do, this tutorial will make it quick and easy. First, open your Canva project where the locked page is. Once your project is open, look at the bottom of your screen. You'll see several icons. Here, the one we want is the grid icon. Clicking it gives you a clear overview of all the pages in your project. This bird's eye view makes it super easy to spot which page is locked. Next, locate the lock page. It'll have a small lock icon on the page thumbnail. This icon tells you that editing is restricted. Once you found it, right-click on the page. A menu will appear, and from there, just click on Unlock Page. Once unlocked, the lock icon disappears and you're free to make any edits you want. It's really that simple. The key steps are: identify the lock page in the grid view, right-click, and select Unlock Page. Following these steps will make your design process smoother and stress-free. And that's it. Practice this a couple of times and unlocking pages will become second nature. Thanks for watching, and if you found this tutorial helpful, check out our other design guides for more tips and tricks. See you in the next video.